Hey everyone, this is Taylor Lewis with the Pulmonary Performance Institute, and today I want to kind of show you a half kneeling thoracic spine exercise that I've kind of grown fond of just because the implications of creating stability, so creating a lower base of support to move around. So when we're thinking about increasing mobility, we first need to establish a sense of stability somewhere to then move things around. So what I like about this exercise is we're in this half kneeling position here, okay? So half kneeling T-spine rotations. Now we want to get our hips lined up. And then I have a foam roller here because I want to I have lower body stability, but I'm going to push my knee this way, and then I'm going to rotate this way. And what's great about that is, if I were to do this outside of that and rotate, this knee could go with me. I actually want to stabilize because when we walk, run, or do anything, we rotate in towards that knee. This allows us some external feedback by pushing in here. Now the key with this is lower half, push through the heel, push in, tuck the rib cage down because I don't want to start extended because I'm already starting at a disadvantage. And then I like to put the hand on the rib cage, look straight ahead, and think of as your spine and a pull between tuck your chin. So I'm pushing this way, coming back through. And you see this is not a lot of movement, but I have a lower base of support to then get true T-spine rotation. And that's the key here, is creating a base of support to move around. And this is why the half kneeling T-spine rotation exercise is a great exercise to implement when you're trying to improve some thoracic rotation there. Just got to think, I'm driving in, rotating away over a base of a support.